dear fellow collectors, I just have to iron the last 23 of my little bags from my advent calendar. That's what I'm going to do now. So let's before I am going to forget this, I have to wrap them over inside out. No, I have to do it inside out and then iron it. I hope this works like I want it to. And here we go, next one, and so on. That's the result of my advent calendar numbers so far. I'm ready. I have to cut them out as a next step. And that's when we see each other again. My dear fellow collectors, I added the numbers to my little bags of things. So they have each an individual number from 1 until 24. Oh, let's see, where is 24? Ah, there. There we have 24. They have all little numbers. And now the last step is to put them on the wooden frame I'm going to prepare as the next step. My dear fellow collectors, I made it. I have finished the construction for my trees out of wood, which you can see in the background. And now I'm going to hang my little bags on the construction. I'm going to use the last, let's see, the last 4 ones for this. Let's see, I'm not sure how to do it the best way like I want it to be. Let's see. Maybe one. Two. Three. And 4. And then we have The first 8. I want the first 8 ones here. Here is number 4. Number 5. Number 6, 7. Seven. And 8. And we have let's see. Um, 20, 19, 18, 17, 18, 16 and 15, and the last 6 ones. I use this in stick form area, I don't know, anyway this place. Let's do it, and then we are done with our advent calendar. Yay! 9. I hope you like what you see. I did this over several weeks. I think I started back in August with my little sacks or bags, and then I started embroidery for the numbers, and yeah, last week I found the wood. The wood comes from the lake, which I've already seen in my other videos. We get wood when there is a storm or something like this. You find a lot of wood here near the lake, and then you can collect it and take it home and use it for a calendar. Some people make angels out of the wood and sell them. Some make sculptures. Yeah. They do lots of creative things with the wood from the lake. By the way, the lake is a very big one. It's I think the third biggest in Europe we have. So it's not very small, and we get a lot of wood. Okay, I hope you like what you see. Stay tuned, and every Friday comes a new exciting video for you. I hope you like that I have done another project to show you what I do when I don't do any Barbie stuff. Maybe I could give you an idea what you can do for Christmas, as a Christmas decoration. Hope you like it, and see you next Friday. Bye!